everyone, Amanda here, just coming to share the start of my first design team project. So the lovely Andrea, who runs Artymaze, which is my favourite digital image creator, and she's got a shop on Etsy, and very kindly asked me if I said that I could do design team work for her if I so desired. So let me just straighten those. Obviously a bit of hand off, as the saying goes. Absolutely love her work, so there's nothing that I'd like better than to share her fantastic digital images with you. Obviously my passion for creating something from nothing, which is how I view journal making. It's like a complete work of art. Jibber jabbering along the way. So I'm going to do several videos. So first of all, I'm going to show you the kit that I've chosen, that was sent to me by Andrea. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, which will be a general shop link, and then I'm going to leave a link to this specific kit because it's not one of the new kits, it's one of the older ones. I'm kind of working my way through my favourite kits. That's what I'm kind of going to do. So I won't always do the most, necessarily, the most up to, the newest release. I might go back and pick some of the other ones because she's got so many beautiful ones. Just go and have a look and click through all of the pages and have a look. So the one that I picked for my first design team project is called Mowena, M-O-W-E-N-A, Mermaid. And it's mermaid themed. And the images are beautiful. So I've printed the kit out onto my lovely navigator paper. I've shown you in the previous video what paper I use. It's on my tea dyeing video, and I an Epso Eco Tank printer, so it's very frugal. You fill the tanks up with bottled ink, and I've been printing non-stop since I bought it. Absolutely love it. You can adjust the settings to get more vibrant colours, and this kit's just beautiful. So this is just one page, and these are the beautiful tags. So I'm just going to show you a few of the main ones. I'm not going to go through everything. Another beautiful one there. So obviously you can just use those as complete pages, or you can cut them up, make things using them, so you can print them out a few times. Okay, or you could just literally fold that in half and that's your page just done. Alright. I've printed them all out single-sided because I'm not sure what I'm going to do. The ones that I use as pages, I'll put back through my printer with a coffee dye, or I might stencil them or ink them. So I'll just quickly show you first the beautiful images here, and then we've got writing here. So obviously you could print them out and fussy cut these and do what you want with them. There's another one. Beautiful. I love this one here. Okay, and then there are some lined pages. Okay, obviously you could print them on both sides. So because my printer's new, I've not quite worked out the repeat print function, so I just take it out, turn it round, put it back in and print it again. And it's got this lovely kind of watercolour look, and then this looks like it's had gesso on it, and it's fab. I love it. I'm going to be trying some inking techniques and some watercolour techniques on some of the pages as well. This is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Love it. She's a very clever lady, and she's got a very good eye for what goes well together in the colours. There's another one. Of course you could use that image for your front cover, cut it up, or use that one. There's another one with lined section for writing. There's another one with lovely story part to it, and another beautiful, lots of lovely blues and greens, and it's just beautiful. There's another beautiful one. Again, you could cut that out, use it like a tag, or turn it into a tuck spot, or just have it as a page. I've printed an extra one of the tags out because I think I might use one of these tags on my front cover, but I'm not sure. I'm going to make a chunky journal first with probably 2, maybe 3 signatures, depending on how fast I work with a hard cover, and then I'm going to do a smaller version which is a TN, and they're a little bit quicker to make. And the large hardback chunky ones take a lot of time, so I'm going to do both, and I'm going to come and show, I might not show the full process from the needle to the thread, but I'll come and do a few videos and share some of my process with you so you can get some ideas. This one's fab because in the background is very subtle, it looks like mermaid scales there, beautiful. And then you get components in the kit, so this is like a large envelope, so you cut that out and you can use that. If you're good with your printer and it's not difficult to do, you can do it so you print 2 to a page, so you'd get one there and one there, so they'd be smaller but you'd have 2 of them, so you can do that. Okay, and there's another one. Beautiful. I'll probably keep them this size for my chunky journal, and then when I do the traveller's notebook size, which are the thinner ones that I do, then I might print them 2 to a page. And here's some lovely elements here that you can use for embellishments. Okay, and then there's a beautiful like envelope or fold out there you could put in with a corresponding little journaling mat there. Okay, and then here's some more ephemera, so these are just mermaid and sea themed, well they've all got mermaids on, that you can use to embellish with. Okay, let me just move that there. And then this here is a journaling card, so you could cut them out, do what you want with them, or you could cut it out, fold it over, glue it, and you've got a journaling card. I like to turn these into little booklets and I'll put scrap paper in them. Okay. That's done. And then here's some more. These you can cut out and use as journaling tags. Do I need to zoom out? Alright, a little bit, I think I do. Cut these out, use them as journaling tags, use them as elements on a page, loads of things. We'll see what we come up with. And then there's another one there. Beautiful. Really, really love it. I love this this one here with the golden hair. I think she's really lovely. And then here are some pockets, so that you could maybe fit those in the pockets if you want. So you put these on a page, put one of these in, or some other tags or whatever you want. If you don't want to use them as pockets, again you can cut them up and use them for other things. Okay, and then as is always with Andrea's kits, you always get sheets of tags and tickets, and then these are tabs to put on the side of your pages. And just look at the detail on these, they're beautiful, absolutely stunning, really, really pretty. And even if you're just new to journaling, all you need to do is cut one of those out, put it on a page with put a paper clip on it, and it's going to look lovely. Or you could cut those out and make a belly band with it. There's loads of things you can do. They're absolutely beautiful. And we've got some more tags here, so you can cut those out into individual tags. You could cut it out all as one and fold it up like a trifold. There's loads of stuff you can do. I absolutely love it. And obviously you can print out as many sheets, print out the ones you like the most. You can change the sizes, you can do what you want. So that's the kit. So what I do first of all, I'm going to show you my first process, and then another video I might be doing some like watercolour backgrounds for pages and things. So when I've got my kits, I have a right good look and I look at some of the main images that I really, really like to get a feel of the kind of colour palette. And then I'll pick out things from my crafty stash that I think will match. So I'll get my basket of tricks like this, okay, and I'll have a look. So let me get this. So for example, I've got some of this like sari silk that I was sent, and this is really lovely because it's got greens and blues. And what I'll do is I'll grab a load of things that I think will look nice. This ribbon's nice, that's the nice colours. I like this because it's that kind of silver. It looks a little bit like fishing net maybe. What else have I got in here that might look nice? I'm not too sure yet. Those are all like whites and shabby chic kind of things, so I might put those to one side. And then I've got these beads here. These are nice and sparkly because mermaids like sparkles, like the well, the folklore is that they're attracted to sparkly things from treasures under the sea. So I'm going to be adding some bits of sparkles. So I've got those. And then what else did I see? I quite liked this because there's quite a bit of like golden touches, like the, I don't know if you want to get a bit cheesy, like the sun hitting on the sand. So I thought that would be nice. What else have I got? What else have I got? I've got this random bit of lace here that's come from something somebody sent me, but I just like it. What else have I got? I think that's about it for those kind. I'm going to try and keep it those kind of colours. What else have I got? Let's have a look. I could do with some blue pom-pom trim. And then I've got this little offcut here, which is from something that I made for my winter journal. So I'm going to dig these napkins out, and I could use that. I could use that as the background for something. So that's the kind of colours that I'm wanting. And then I'm going to use some bubble wrap for inking and printing to look like the bubbles in the sea, you know, like fish bubbles, whatever. And then I got another basket thing. I found this twine, which is a lovely kind of colour. And then I do have this stamp set, and we've got some little fishes and some bubbles and some seaweed, so I thought I could use that, even the jellyfish, so that'd be useful. I found these like green sequins. Eileen sent me those, and then I found these pearls that I think Eileen sent me these as well, and I thought they look nice up the side of a page to look like bubbles going to the surface. I found some tassels, more blues and green sari silk. Then this is a card that my friend Valerie sent me, Valerie Litton, and she's done, it's like green and then at the background there's gold, and she's done this on a jelly plate, and it's a card that she sent me, so I'll take that bit out, which is a writing, and I'm going to use that because I like it. Another one that I found, and some more lace here with some sequins, and I like the scalloped bottom on that. I thought that would be nice, like it looks a bit like a fishtail, doesn't it? So this is just what I do, and I'll put them all in a basket. And then I found this with some like tassel on the bottom. I thought that was pretty. Okay, and then I've got all of these fibres here. My friend Helen sent me these, and I've used them before, and they're all different. Some's got long eyelash trim, all different shades of blue. Some's got sparkling, that's almost like a velvety feel. So I thought I'd use that as well. I thought that would look really cool. Random bit of ribbon, and then I found a blue paper bag. So, so what I do is I will literally put all of this stuff that I've picked into a basket, and this is how I do my journals, and then I will work from this basket when I'm doing my embellishments. Everything's all in there, and then I don't have to keep searching for things, and I know that that is the basket for this journal, and up until it's finished I'll leave that on my desk, and I'll just keep on working on it a little bit at a time until we get there. So that's what I'm going to be doing, is the Moana Mermaid. I've also dug out some stencils. I love stenciling. I liked, which one? I liked that one. Okay, don't know if you can see, there we go. I thought that looked a little bit like fishes. It might be me that's a bit bonkers, but there you go. And then I had another one that to me looked like seaweed. Where is it? This one here, I thought just looked pretty cool, a bit like seaweed, so you could ink in greens and blues. So that's the kind of thought processes that I go through. So I will be doing some videos. I might do some that are fast forwarded. I might do, you know, show it in stages, but I will be coming and showing you what I do with this beautiful kit, and then showing you when it's finished. So there you go. I hope that you will follow along with me. If you want to buy this kit, it's very inexpensive for what you get. It's I'll leave a link, and if you want to purchase it, you could craft along with me at the same time. You're welcome. If you decide you do want to, you're welcome to message me, send me pictures of what you do. I love to see what people create. And I'm also going to leave in the description box below, so I'll leave a link to this kit, a link to Andrea's Etsy shop and a link to the Facebook page, because she has this. It's lovely in there. These ladies are really kind, supportive, sharing, and Andrea has some lovely freebies in the files. And it's just a really, really lovely group to be part of. So come along and say hello. Say that I've sent you, if you like, don't mind. And I'll be back soon when we start and do some page designs. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.